Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sell a course on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to go with gumroad.com and then just logging in with your account and verify your email if required. And after that you will need to go and click on the products option or section that's located at or in the left hand menu under the home section. And after then you will need to go with new products option or button that's located at the top right corner of the page, and then you will need to choose between the digital products and the membership. Both of them can be used if you want to sell a course. Okay, so for example we'll go with membership, then just give it a name. So let's go with course, for example. And yeah, so that's just an example on or in that video. So for you, I'll need to name your course clearly and attractively. Okay, and just scroll down till you can see the price option. So right here where you can change the currency and set a price or price your product. So for example we go with 10 a month and then just go with next, customize. So here where you can adjust or make some adjustment to the title or the name of the products and setting description. So here where you can explain what students will learn, the key benefits and outcomes. For the price here, okay, you will need to go with a fixed price monthly, or you can go with allow customers to pay what they want, and then a section will appear right here. So just go ahead and set or suggest an amount monthly. Okay, and for the prices right here, it's like for a month, 6 months, 2 years, quarterly, yearly. All right, and you will need as well to upload your course materials, so you can upload the PDFs, videos, audios, slides or documents. So just go with the cover first, then a thumbnail that you can upload from your computer files. Here you can go with external link, so both of them. And also once finished, you will need, as I told you, to go with products info. You will get here, for example, on the summary, and then the additional details. So go with add details here if there are some or more details, and then go with save and continue. Right. Also, you can go with the content, as I told you, and right here where you can add or upload your course materials. I told you PDFs, videos, audio, slides, or documents. And for multi-part courses, consider using drip content, like release lessons gradually to students over time. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.